Hey guys, today we are showing you how to make melt-in-your-mouth chicken in an electric pressure cooker.
All while having a whole lot of fun.
Sorry. I've never known her not to have anything to say. Hey guys, welcome back to my camper kitchen. I'm Cris from recipes@crock.com, and this is my sister, Aunt Lou. We are two different people for people who might get confused.
This is not a split screen.
And we don't change our hair color like some folks sometimes think. But anyhow, we are here today to show you a yummy recipe that Aunt Lou put on the blog and show you how quickly you can get dinner on the table using an electric pressure cooker. So today we are using a 4-quart Instant Pot, but you've also made this in a 6-quart.
Yes, I made it in a 6-quart because I don't have a 4-quart.
So you can make it in either one, and Aunt Lou's going to show you how it's done.
Okay, in here we have 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken tenders.
I had a camera
right there
at one point.
So in here we have 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken tenders. You can use boneless, skinless, chicken breasts, chicken tenders, chicken thighs, whatever suits your fancy. And just use whatever kind of meat you like. Next, we're going to use 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And when Mikey and I did this, he put the water in first, but I recommend putting in the soup first.
Did you hear that? She's trying to say Mikey did it wrong.
And so, because whenever he put the soup in after the water, it went.
Oh.
And
well,
so,
he does like to make messes sometimes.
Yes, he does. So I'm going to gently pour in 1 1/3 cup of water. Now, this is more than what is in the crock pot version. And that extra 1/3 cup of water just gives you a little bit more to help bring the Instant Pot or the electric pressure cooker up to pressure. And so, then it says dry parsley and garlic salt to taste. And so I usually start out with just kind of a sprinkling, maybe about a teaspoon worth. And just throw that in. And if it's not enough for you, you can always add more. Oh, and also this is garlic salt. So, you know, that's going to not only be adding in your garlic flavoring, but it's also going to add some salt in there. So don't go too heavy on it or you might be not liking it. And then you just mix this all up and get the soup, all the chunks, or well, most of the chunks out. And then pour this over the top. And about got all of it. And then put the lid on.
Plugging it in.
Plugging it in always helps. I may or may not have had some recipes where I destroyed about $20 worth of chicken because I forgot to plug in my crock pot on multiple occasions.
So we are doing this, if you're using an Instant Pot, we're doing it manual. And we are doing it for 10 minutes, you say?
Yes, that's the wrong way. 10 is less than 15, or than 12.
Yes. The maths.
And you don't want it to kick on, keep warm. You don't need it to do that. And you make sure that you've got this set to seal. And we'll be back in just a few minutes, and we're going to serve it over cooked rice.
So are we doing this natural release for 15 minutes?
I generally do everything natural release for 15 minutes. If you guys have seen the Instant Pot,
because you're afraid of it.
The Instant Pot Perfect Roast video, Mikey and I had a geyser.
Well, one of the reasons to do natural release is to also help infuse flavors just a little bit longer. I don't think you have enough liquid in here to
make a geyser?
To do that. So
just always air
it'll just depend on how much time you have. But we will come back after. So what we typically do, to not be confusing, hopefully, is 15 minutes natural release and then pop it over to quick release to let the rest of the steam out. And so we'll be back after we do that in 3, 2, 1. We're back. I don't think we did that right, but that's okay. So this cooked for 10 minutes under pressure, and I quick released, which I told her she jinxed me because it's the first time I've made it in my little Instant Pot, and I did get a little bit of liquid, not too much. But I don't think you're going to have a problem if you're using a 6-quart if you wanted a quick release. But we got a lot of hungry campers out there. So she's plating some rice. Yep.
And this is just going to be my plate for dinner.
And I'm going to lift this up. Yeah, she's making her plate for dinner, so I'm not going to eat off of her plate for dinner. But there they are, all yummy and nice and steaming up my camera. I'm going to let you scoop it on out.
Oh, hang on. I can grab one. They're wanting to stick together. There we go. Okay, so you just put it on there and then hot. Careful. That
probably should have doubled up your plate on our fancy china.
Yeah, but I like lots and lots of juice with my rice because it's yummy. It kind of makes up the taste almost like like a big sister helping me out. It kind of ends up tasting almost like a chicken casserole, but you don't have to worry about if your rice is done because you just cooked it in the microwave. So there you go. Okay, I'm struggling, so why don't you talk so I can focus.
Well, they got enough hot taste. That's kind of what we're waiting on, dear. It's hot in here because we had to turn the air off so it didn't mess with the audio.
And this is hot. I don't want to burn my mouth. Oh, I'm gonna burn my hand. Okay. Still hot.
It's still hot.
Sorry.
I've never known her not to have anything to say.
I love it. It takes the slow cooker recipe and it just makes it so much faster.
Super duper.
And so it just, I mean, it's good. I don't know. Mikey's the one with all the words.
So
it's just yummy, people.
Yes. Oh goodness, and I'm splashing everywhere, much to Octavius's happiness downstairs. But if you
there is not a downstairs in her camper, no matter what she says.
But if you like this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you are not already a member of the Crock Posse, we'd love for you to subscribe and become a member of our slow cooker, electric pressure cooking, and RV traveling family. If you would like notifications every time we upload a video, you click the
ding-a-ling.
And, but whatever you do, we hope you laugh often, eat good food, and speak life. Bye, guys!
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link below.